Today I'm at ETG HQ with Chloe Reeve. Now, Chloe, you have a replenishment scheme going on currently here. Now, firstly, tell me about this scheme.
Okay, so we've got a stock rotation, stock replenishment scheme, okay? So we've got a bit of stock in here, we want to get it out, replenish, get it all moving round.
And what benefits do the customers get from this?
Okay, so we've got stock in here that we don't normally have. So we've got opportunities for customers to come in, have a look at some new ranges as well as old ranges. And what we're going to do is replace them with different machines, so we've got such a wide range of machines on this stock rotation.
And the special prices included in with this offer?
Yeah, special price included with this offer as well. So what we've got here is a Bridgeport X1000, okay? Got quite a big envelope on there. We've got a huge table in X, a big table in Y as well. We've also got a 12K spindle there. Also going up to the tool changer, I've got 30 tools in there as well. So we've got quite a big machine and really good stock rotation and really good price.
Are there linear guideways?
Linear guideways as well, yeah.
So for additional speed?
Additional speed, you can crank it up, you can get that power in the machine, yeah.
Now you've also got the Hardinge control system now. This is probably one of the best control systems in the marketplace.
Yeah, but personally, I think Hardinge is the best. That not everyone's view, but this is a 640, great with the machine, quick, conversational, ISO as well, perfect.
So this is actually in stock here at Wellesbourne, and it could be within your facility within days. Now, the special offer, we're not mentioning prices, but they need to get in touch with you to find out what that is.
So if you get in touch with us either by email address or give us a phone call, you can come in, have a look at these machines, not just this machine, whole range of them, just come and have a look at our showroom.